Students, you all know that the vertebrates like a fish, a frog, a snake, a pigeon reproduce by laying eggs. But do you know how a cow gives birth to its calf?
A cow does not lay eggs. It directly gives birth to its calf.
Similarly, a buffalo directly gives birth to its calf. A deer directly gives birth to its fawn. The human being also directly gives birth to the baby.
All animals which directly give birth to their babies feed milk to their babies too.
Vertebrates which directly give birth to their babies and suckle their babies belong to the class Mammalia.
So, vertebrates like the cow, the buffalo, the deer, and human belong to the class Mammalia.
Vertebrates like a tiger, a bear, a giraffe, and a deer also give direct births to their babies and suckle them. So, they also belong to the class Mammalia.
A bat flies in the sky like a bird, but it is not a bird. So, it does not belong to the class Aves.
A bat gives direct birth to its baby and suckles it. So, a bat also belongs to the class Mammalia.
Animals that belong to the class Mammalia are known as mammals.
This is a cow. You all know that a cow feeds milk to its baby. Do you know how a cow feeds milk to its baby?
A cow has mammary glands on its body. Milk comes from the mammary gland. A cow feeds milk to its baby from the mammary glands.
Likewise, a dog has mammary glands to suckle its puppy. An elephant has mammary glands to suckle its calf. A tiger also has mammary glands to suckle its cubs.
All the mammals have mammary glands on their body to suckle their babies.
Students, now do you know where a tiger lives?
A tiger lives in the jungle.
Likewise, an elephant lives in the jungle. A camel lives in the desert. A snow leopard lives in the mountain region. A whale lives in the seas and oceans.
A bat lives on trees. It also lives in caves in the forest.
Different kinds of mammals live on different habitats. Some of them are terrestrial, while some are aquatic. Again, let us look at the body of a cow. It has a head, a neck, a trunk, and a tail. The body of a mammals, like a tiger, a bear, an elephant, and a deer, also have a head, a neck, a trunk, and a tail. Most of the mammals have a head, a neck, a trunk, and a tail.
But human beings have only a head, a neck, and a trunk.
Now, let us look at a dog. The body of a dog is covered with hair. The body of a cow is also covered with hair.
Most of the mammals have hair on their bodies.
Mammals like a sheep, a rabbit, a yak also have hair on their bodies. But their hair is thick. Their hair is known as fur. So, the body of most mammals is covered with either hair or fur.
But mammals like a dolphin and a whale do not have hair or fur on their bodies.
Students, how do you hear while I'm talking to you?
You hear with your ears, don't you?
Like you, all animals like an elephant, a tiger, a bear, and a rabbit also have ears to listen. Look at the ears of this cow. The ears have an outer part. The outer part is known as the pinnae. All the mammals have the pinnae.
You all also have pinnae, don't you?
You all have hands and legs. They are your limbs. The hands are your forelimbs, and your legs are your hind limbs or the lower limbs. Now look at this ox. It has 4 legs. All these legs are its limbs.
The pair of limbs which are at the front of its body are its forelimbs. The pair of limbs which are at the back of its body are its hind limbs.
A tiger and a bear also have a pair of forelimbs and a pair of hind limbs. Most of the vertebrates have a pair of forelimbs and a pair of hind limbs.
A bat has legs as its hind limbs, but its forelimbs are modified into the wings. So, wings are its forelimbs.
Likewise, the forelimbs of a dolphin are modified into the flippers. So, the flippers are its forelimbs.
But a dolphin does not have hind limbs.
Students, you all walk to move from one place to another. You walk with your legs to move, don't you? A cow also walks with its legs to move. A bat flies with its wings to move. A whale swims with its fins to move.
So, mammals have specialized locomotory organs to move.
Legs, wings, and fins are the specialized locomotory organs of the mammals. Students, we all feel the change in our surroundings, don't we? The eye, nose, ear, skin, and the tongue are our sense organs to feel the changes in our surroundings. We have a brain too. We all realize the change in our surroundings with our brains.
All the mammals have the sense organs and the brain.
A dog does not bark at the people in your home, but it barks at strangers. A parrot can imitate what you speak. A monkey can learn our behavior. A dolphin is considered to be wise.
All this is because these mammals too have sense organs and brain.
They feel and realize the change in their surroundings with the help of their sense organs and the brain. The sense organs and the brain make up the nervous system. All the mammals have a well-developed nervous system.
Unlike most mammals, human brain can even imagine and think. So, human brain is most developed among all the mammals. The nervous system of humans is the most developed.
Not only the nervous system, but all the body systems of mammals are well developed. You breathe through your lungs, you take in oxygen and throw out carbon dioxide. Your respiratory system is well developed.
Likewise, your digestive system is also well developed. Your circulatory system is also well developed.
All of your body systems are well developed. Like human beings, the mammals like dog, cat, tiger, bear also have well developed body systems.
So, all the mammals have highly developed body systems.
Now, let's have a look at the heart of human beings. There are 4 chambers in the human heart. Like the human beings, mammals like a cow, a tiger, and a bear also have 4-chambered hearts.
All the mammals have 4-chambered heart.
Like aves, mammals are also warm-blooded animals. Their body temperature doesn't change according to their surroundings.
Their body temperature is always constant.